Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Canva and ChatGPT. This powerful combination significantly enhances your design workflow, saving you valuable time and effort. You will learn two effective strategies to bring AI-generated content directly into your visual projects. This integration allows for seamless content creation, transforming your ideas into stunning designs with remarkable speed and precision. First, leverage ChatGPT as your ultimate content generation assistant. You can prompt it to create engaging headlines, compelling body text, or even entire blog post outlines. For instance, ask for 5 different taglines for a new product. Then, simply copy and paste this AI-generated text directly into your Canva designs, ensuring your visuals are always paired with impactful messaging. Next, explore Canva's own integrated AI capabilities, such as Magic Write. This feature allows you to generate text directly within your design, offering a seamless experience. You can also easily paste content created by ChatGPT into any text box in Canva. This dual approach ensures you have powerful AI assistance at every stage, from initial concept to final design polish. To maximize efficiency, start by crafting your core message in ChatGPT, ensuring it is clear and concise. Once satisfied, transfer this content into your Canva design. Dedicate about 5 to 10 minutes to review the layout, font choices, and imagery. This streamlined process, combining AI content generation with intuitive design tools, empowers you to produce high-quality visuals consistently and quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.